Today we will cover mailings. We have covered home, insert, design, page layout, references. We start with mailing. The first option is envelopes. Okay, envelopes, and second option is labels. How to create? What is envelope? You put something inside an envelope and mail to someone else, right? So envelopes are, I click envelope, envelopes. This is delivery address where you want to send your mail. Okay, so delivery address is, for example, GTI, first floor, Rawalpindi, right? And return address. If there is a problem or receiver cannot receive this mail, then this is the return address, or he will reply back to this address. This is the return address, right? So GTI, this is, for example, Nix, Islamabad. Okay, add to document. Okay, add to document. You want to return address and default return address? Yes. So this is an envelope. Okay, if you see print option, go to print, and this is envelope. Okay, this is the return address and this is delivery address. Okay, I press this arrow to go back. The other option is labels. Okay, I create a new document, blank document, and this time we will use labels. Labels are like you send to some address. For example, you buy a computer. Okay, there is a computer. You buy a computer and then or a vendor ships this computer towards toward the customer on this address, right? So this will create a label. For example, GTI first floor Rawalpindi. Okay, this is the address. This will create label, new document, and these are the two labels. Okay, or you want to create a label for this computer. For example, this is PC1. You create a label PC1. Okay, this is personal computer 1. This is for personal computer 2. Okay, right? This is how we create labels. So you take printout from here. You take the hard copy. There is other information also, a complete address. Okay, and then you paste on your pack where computer is inside that pack, right? And then I should remove this. In the mailings, we have start mail merge. This is the option. Okay, mail merge means we want to send mail or a message, email message to email message or simple mail message to many customers, to many employees, to many people, right? So I start with this step-by-step mail merge visit, right? Step-by-step mail merge visit. In the, if you see right side mail merge, I will use letters, okay. And next, starting document, start with the template, start from existing document, use the current document, then select recipients, use existing list, okay, recipients means receivers, right? Or type a new list. I will create, because I do not have any customer created, any list created, so I will create it, okay. Type a new list. This is the list I will create, press create. Then I will just write the title. For example, this is manager, okay. First is manager, first name is Ali, Ahmed, and company is GTI, address is first floor RWB, and address, this is address line 2, city is Rawalpindi, and this is state is Punjab, and zip code is 46,000, and country is Pakistan, and home phone is, for example, you can type this, and then work phone is this, and email is ali@gmail.com, okay. Second is assistant manager, okay, Asad, and Akra, company is Nix, and this is blue area, Islamabad, okay. This is the branch, right? And now we have, this is Islamabad, and we have this ICT, capital territory, and 44,000. I have this Pakistan, and this is the phone number, and this is name is Asad at hotmail.com, okay. Third is, for example, clerk, okay, or the clerk, and this is Akram, this is also from Nix, and this is blue area Islamabad, okay, blue area, and this is Islamabad, ICT, and this is 44,000. Then we have, this is Pakistan, and I will create after the country I should create this is the phone number, okay. I should create the phone number, and this is email address is Akram at, for example, yahoo.com, okay. Okay, now this is my data sources, and I will create, for example, this is employees, okay. This is employees list. I will create save. Now I will press OK. So the list has been created, okay. Now write your letter, this is write your letter, okay. Write your let's see, this is this is review your letters, right here, letters, greeting line, okay. Let's see, greeting line is dear, this is the format. You can change it to 2, or you can use these formats. I will use the default. Okay, so it will greet like dear sir or madam, right? And dear manager Eman, like we have created manager Eman, and this is the format. I will press OK. This is the greeting line. Then I will have a message. Okay. I should create first of all I should go here and see the size, orientation, margins. This is normal, right? So this is the greeting line. Now I should create address book. Address is like this. Address block. This is address block, and this is greeting line. And I will create the message. The message is, for example, Happy Eid 2020. Okay, this is the message. Okay, and now I should put some information from here. It should be like company name. What is the company name? This is the company name, right? Okay, so now I will create preview letters. Go here and next. This is next, step number 4, and preview your letters. This is preview. Manager LEMN, GTI, first row. This is the address. Then dear manager MN, Happy is 2020 GTI. Okay. Now next record is, press this arrow. Next record is assistant manager Asad Akram. Then the company name and address, and we have greetings, and we have messages same. Message is same, and we have third, the message is same, and Akram Khan for Akram Khan next, right? So this is how we can check it. We can find a recipient. For example, we find Ali. Okay, Ali, and find next. Press find next. This is Ali. If I write Akram, and this is find next. This is Akram, right? So finish mail merge. Okay, complete the merge or finish mail merge. I should create complete the merge, and now I should print the documents. Print and print all. Okay. Okay, select the printer, number of copies. Okay, number of copies, and press pages per sheet. How many pages per sheet? 1 page per sheet. Okay, so this is okay, and I should create a emp list, emp PDF, right? Save. Okay, printing. Now all the records, for example, I have 100 employees, so this message will be sent to 100 employees. This and 100 employees will be printed. If I want to include some other fields, click preview results, and then if you want to have some field from here, some phone number, for example, work phone, this work phone, then you can add here. Okay, so when you preview results, so this is, and press this arrow, okay. So I have created only 3 records. Okay, but in the company there are a lot of customers, there are a lot of people, there are employees. Okay, and you can create it. Okay, and then you can use this address block from here. Okay, the address block, and greeting line from here. You can use this greeting line. This is same as I have created from here, right? This was about the mailing, right? Now review. Review is Review is I should create a new blank document, and review means you have created a report or letter, so some senior can check the errors. Okay, maybe there are translation errors, maybe there are spelling errors, grammar errors, okay, or the acceptance criteria. There is an acceptance criteria of a report, of a letter, and then you can accept, or you can comment. You comment on different paragraphs, and you change the document according to the directions given by your senior, and you change it, and then you submit. Then see whether it is accepted or not, okay, or rejected. Okay, so first of all, first option is spelling or grammar. For example, I have created a simple topic, right? MS Office, and I create rand. Okay, this is rand. Now this is the information, and I want to see the spelling and grammar. For example, this is the mistake. Okay, powerful, and then online means O line, right? Then we have this column. This is column, right? And we have another remember. This is remember, right? So these are the mistakes. Okay, I should check the spelling and error. Click on this. So first is powerful. Powerful means this is influential, strong, effective. Okay, this is the meaning of the powerful. And ignore means do not change anything. If this is these are the spellings, then you can add. Okay, this is a problem. Again, I should create spelling and grammar, and I should. Okay, let's see this. Okay, online is I should change it. Okay, change online. Okay, then this is column. Okay, I should change it this. Not clump, not columns, not clumping. Okay, this is change this. Then remember, there is E missing, so this is remembers, no, members, no, this is remembers. Okay, so I should change it. Okay, so this is how we can change the spelling and error. Okay, spelling, grammar. Then we have you can define the words, okay, in the dictionary, okay, in the language dictionary, right? Then you have thesaurus. For example, I have this. I will create a space. Okay, just press space bar. Okay, create a space. You see, powerful way this, so it will suggest you. Okay, it will suggest you that this is, I should create, click on it, and thesaurus I will create it. So we could not find any similar words. Okay, so I should go here and powerful. Okay, let's see this. This is powerful. So I can change it. Okay, I can change it, like I may use video provides influential way. Okay, or commanding way, authoritative way. These are the meanings. Okay, this is the adjective. This is also adjective. Okay, strong, mighty, right? So I will create this, and now I have if I right click it, and this is powerful way. This is powerful way. Ignore grammar, ignore ones, or grammar. Show grammar. This is the grammar. Powerful way. Okay, you can change it. Powerful way. There will be no space. One space is removed. So now it is okay. If I want to see how many words are there, so I will use word count. There are pages, one page, how many words? 240 words. Characters with no space 1071, characters with space 1311, then paragraphs is 6 and lines are 60. So there are 60 lines in this whole text, whole page, right? I can translate it. For example, I can translate, maybe this is translate document. So I should change the dictionary. Okay, services, no services available. But if I have installed all the other languages, I can translate it, this document, to some other language, right? But here on my computer, I have not added any languages, right? You can translate it. And then language, set proofing language. You can set the proofing language. By default it is English. You see, English United States is by default. You can change it to any other language. There are a lot of languages. Okay, these are the languages. Then we have new comment. For example, I select this paragraph, and I create a comment. Comment is there are errors. There are errors in this. Remove the errors. Okay, this comment should be remove the errors from the text. Okay, and for the second paragraph is okay. Third paragraph is, for example, I should comment add 2 or more sentences in this paragraph. So this is other paragraphs are okay, right? So this is how we comment. So track changes, there is a track changes. Track changes means, for example, if I want to add something, if I want to add here, MS Word is very easy, right? And MS Word is very easy. Now I add another sentence. This time I will use track changes. Now this will be ready. You see, MS Word is used to write documents. Okay, right? This is red. It means the changes have been tracked. Okay, now when all markup, this is, you see, this red. So when I click track changes, then this is red, and it means this has been added. Now I see this has been proved, this has been commented and checked. Now if I go here and accept this, okay, I should accept this. Accept means this is acceptable that MS Word is used to write documents. Accept this change, accept this change. Okay, now on the second day we will add some text. For example, MS Word is used to communicate with other people. Okay, now this change, there is a problem with this this sentence, for example. Okay, so we should reject it. When we reject this change, that this sentence should not be added here, so I should reject it. Okay, reject means remove. Okay, now this is for previous and next. This is next, next, previous, next, this is for this. Then compare documents. Compare documents means I should press Ctrl A and delete. Sorry, this is Ctrl A and delete. Okay, this has been deleted. Track changes. I should lock tracking. Okay, just to save time, we should create a new document, right? I should create a blank document, and now this is a boy. Okay, this is a boy. This is a boy. This is the text we have in our document, right? And I go here to review. This is one document, and I should save it. I will save it with the name on the desktop, and this is a boy. Okay, this is the name. Okay, I save it. Now I create another document. With the new document, a new option, and a blank document. I will create this is a boy. He is attending his class. Okay, this is the second document, and I should save it. And on the desktop, and this is a boy. For example, 1. This is the document name. Okay, save it. Now I go to review and compare these documents. Okay, I will select first compare. Compare means I will select the document 1. This is a boy. Okay, and let's and this is a boy 1. This is a boy 1. This is the second document. This is revised document, right? One sentence has been added in the revised sentence. You see, compare. This is the original document. This is a boy, and this is the revised document. This is a boy. He is attending his class. This is the revision. One sentence has been added. Okay, so user inserted he is attending in the second document. So this is the comparison, that this is a boy is same in both documents, and what is added is he is attending his class. Okay, restrict editing, very very important. You can restrict editing, allow only, for example, use this. You can set no changes, everyone, and yes, start protection, and password is A. You set the password, and again press A, type A, and OK, right? So now this is password protected. If I use, you see the status bar, the modification is not allowed because the selection is locked. Okay, so I want to add, but I cannot add. So I can change stop protection, and then I will write the password, and this is OK, and now I can write here. Okay, this is very very important for the document security. So this is restrict editors. You can use Windows users. You can select here. Maybe there are a lot of users. Okay, so there are a lot of options here, and there is another option here. We have account and about word. This is in the info, and protect document. This is protect document. Encrypt with password. Okay, if I encrypt with password, I use this encrypt with the password, and password is A. Okay, password is A. For example, password is A, and I press OK, and again re-enter the password. I re-enter it and press OK. This is now the password. This document is now the name of the document is I should save it with on the desktop, and I should save it 1. okay, with the name one document, okay, and I close the Word document. I close these all, okay, don't save, and I close this, don't save, okay. I also close this. There are many documents, okay. Now I have one and I want to open it, okay. Double click it and let's do it again. Why it is there is inspect document and restrict editing. I should remove it and I should go here and I should protect it with encrypt password. I will press A, I press OK, I press A, OK, and now I should save this. This is one, save it, and then I open it right now. Okay, this is the password. Okay, enter password to open the file. If I press B, right, B is not password, so it is saying password is incorrect. I press OK and I again open it, and this time I use the right password and this is okay. This is how we create the document. Okay. Now we have created this and we should, was about the review where languages are checked, proofing, tracking, comments, changes, you can compare it, combine the documents, you can protect with passwords, right? Now we have a view, okay? We have view is very easy. For example, I have typed equal to rand, okay? This is very easy. Right, if you see this is the text, this is the read mode, okay, this is the read mode, okay. Now I press escape and this is the print layout, okay, print layout is second, this is the print layout. And for the document web, if you want to publish it on web, this is the web layout, okay, this is the print layout. Outline, if you make it to outline, then dotted outline, then this is dotted outline, this is the outline, right? Now I can press cross and I go view and then I press draft, okay, this is the draft. So I want to see a print layout, right? One page, this is ruler means it will show a ruler on the top, ruler where you can adjust your writing. For example, if I want to bring it this way, right, on the right side or left side or whatever, or from the right side, I can change the margins, right? And then grid line, for example, graphical grid lines, these are grid lines, okay. I disable it, so there are no grid lines. Navigation pane on the left side, we have navigation pane where we have different kinds of, for example, I should search word, search the document word, okay, this is the one, and I press enter, this, so word is here, okay, this is the navigation pane. We have zoom 100%, this is zoom, for example, I have 200, this is the zoom, okay, this is 200, I press 100%, okay, this is 100%, one page, multiple pages, okay, multiple pages, if I have, for example, 100%, and I have this information copy pasted, right? Control C and Control V. So if I have this and I use multiple pages, then you see these are two pages you can view, okay. This is called view. What you see on the computer, this is the view, right? So multiple pages means page width, you can set the page width, okay, or multiple pages, or for example one by one page, then second page, then third page, okay. A new window, you can open a new window. This is the new window, and go to review, go to view, and arrange all. This is all. There are two windows arranged, okay, and you can change, for example, split this. I should close this, okay, and I should use this is from here, and split. I can split this. This is the split page. Remove split, remove. Split means divide, right? Then we have view side by side. If we have documents, multiple documents, then we can use it side by side as scrolling. So this is scroll bar, we can use it. Then switch windows. Switch windows is if there are multiple windows open, document 1, document 2, document 3, you can switch it from here. Okay. Then comes the macro. Okay, last part. For the macro, I should create a new document. Okay. You want to repeat something. Okay. Let's see. View is 100%. It should be 100%. This is the 100%, right? And then I have created, for example, I record a macro. Record macro, and this is macro 1. Name is macro 1. Okay. I have a list A, B, C, D. Okay. Macro has been recorded. Now I stop the recording, pause recording, stop recording, stop recording. Okay, now this ABC or some sentences, I want to use it again on the second page or on the 100th page or 10th page. Then I should just go to macro and view macros, and I run the macro. Okay, this is the second page and ABCD is there. On the first page, this is ABCD, and again I require ABCD list. Maybe there are 100 records. Then you can record a macro, and whenever those records, you should not copy all those 1000 records. Okay, just press macro, and macro automatically those 100 or 200 records will be pasted. Okay, or text is pasted. So this was about Word. We will see different. We will see different assignments also. There is export option. Export means, for example, create PDF. You can create a PDF here. PDF for the web. The web document is PDF document, right? Then you can change the file type. This is file type. So file types are, for example, Word 97. If you have older Word 2003, okay, there were no or plain text or rich text document, RTF you can create. So you can create it just your client has 2003 version, then you can convert this document to 2003, okay, for the client. Okay, so or plain text, maybe requirement is you have to create this plain text, but for the plain text, if there are graphics, those graphics will maybe in the plain text the graphics will not be shown. Okay, rich text document also, this is rich text document, this is not graphics. Okay, so this was about the Word. We have covered all the tabs: home, insert, design, page layout, references, mailings, review, and view. Okay, so this is how this is. I think I should close this. There are a lot of other options, but they are not used. Okay, the used option is whatever you see here. Okay, mostly used option, and we have covered every option. Okay, and now comes the assignments and exam. There will be an online exam, and for the on-site users, on-site students, we will you have to submit a report also, and this was about the Word. And in the next lecture we will start Excel. Okay, there are 4 assignments for the Word. Okay, you will create those assignments, and after that you will create assignments for the Excel. Okay, assignments for the Excel. Let's see, just 1 minute, let's see what is the next lecture. Okay, go to Excel. This is for statistical information or digits. Okay, if you want to play with digits, this is Excel format. We will, in the next lecture, we will start with this Excel. You have you know that home, insert, page layout, formulas. Okay, but this home is almost same. Okay, till here, okay, almost same. First font and clipboard, this is same, but this is also same, this part. Maybe some difference. And then we have this menu, home tab, different from the word. Insert tab is, we have created all this, but pivot table, you see smart art pictures. We will not do these shapes or smart art. Okay, we have done that, but we will create just a simple overview. We will show a simple overview. Okay, this is very simple. Then we have recommended charts, very important. These charts. Okay, we will do that, and line and all that. Okay, then important part is this page layout is same almost. Okay, something print view, for example, I click here, this is print view, this is not print view, right? Then formulas, we will create this is very important, formulas. And we will also see developer part. Okay, developer part after view, review and view is same, almost same. Okay, so you can protect the sheets. View is same. You see, this is the view is all 100% same with the Word. Okay, so we will start with home. File is same. If you see, this menu is same. Okay, so in the next lecture we will start Excel. So be ready, right?